Simple way to make money online with no investment needed. So this is going to work for 2020. So I just want to make sure that you guys get this first. So that way, by the time next year, because we got like what, almost a month and a half to go. So I want to make sure that you're in the best way to dominate the 2020. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. If it's your first time here, my name is Andre, and I thank you for watching this video. Make sure you become a part of the family. Just like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think at the end of the video. So I'm going to show you how to make some money. So this is a simple method of making money with no investment needed in 2020. So I've done this. I'm still doing it because that's one of the ways that I get free traffic, and that's how I put my product in front of people so that way they can buy it. So I'm going to show you how you can do this so that way your 2020 and beyond is going to be good. So make sure you stay tuned. So I'm going to hop into my computer right now. And as I mentioned, this is my YouTube channel. So become a part of the family, like, subscribe, and you can get started. So I don't want to take up too much of your time, but the first thing we want to do, we want to go over to ClickBank. So I'm going to explain to you, ClickBank is a free place that has a lot of different products that you can promote. And when you promote them, you're going to get money. So you've probably seen some influencers on like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and they're talking about a specific product and they will say, hey, use this discount code and you will get like 15% off or whatever it is. Now, this is kind of like the same method. It's more of like affiliate marketing. I know some of you probably trying and you say it's not working because you have to give this some more time. You can't just do something 1, 2 week or a month and then you give up. Like there's a lot of people been struggling and they want to make this work. So if you put in the work, you put in the time, this can work for you. So the niche that we're going to be doing, as you look over here, there's so many different ones. I'm going to be heading into the spiritual niche. Spiritual niche is always good. And the reason why I picked spiritual niche is because what I'm about to share with you is something that is evergreen. People are always consistently, and let me say this again, consistently want to go on Instagram and they want to find stuff. So if you look on Instagram, all these different, what do you see, quotes and sayings that people post, it's more of motivational, trying to make people feel good about themselves, trying to motivate people, push people to become better with their life because there's so many negativities out there. So if I type in motivation right now and I hit that search button, right? You look right here, you see a lot of motivational quotes. So if I click on this, these are endless amount of motivational quotes and people always share these things. People click on them and people trying to get more out of these quotes. We all see them. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to create an Instagram account. Now, this is one method I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to show you another method that you can go out there and crush it. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, right? So the first thing I want to do is Instagram. You can create an Instagram account. It's absolutely free. And all you got to do is post at least 3 times a day. Now, you don't have to overkill and you don't have to post 6, 7, 10 times in one day because that is literally you're spamming and people are just going to unfollow you and they're not interested. So you want to make it nice and you always want to make engaging posts. Let's say for this one right here, this one has posted a day ago. It has over 1,700 likes. So if you double tap, if you agree, tag a friend, that type of stuff, because you always want people to engage, right? So you post this stuff, this person is saying like follow motivational infusion for more content. So I'm just going to look on this particular account. Now, if you look on here, they have over 22,000 followers. Now, most of you probably watching this be like, well, I don't have a lot of followers. Well, they started from 0 too. I started most of my accounts from 0, and it's not that difficult for you to post every single day, at least 3 times a day. Now, most of you probably saying, well, I'm working all the time. Listen, you got to hustle on the job. Your 2020, this will be an easy way how you need to make money, so you got to make it work. So hopefully by the end of this year, you guys can go out there and you can crush it and you can start to do this full time. Now, if you look on here, you see this person use some celebrities. You can do that as background. You can use these type of people. You can use the same text, and you can even use some of these things, because most of these people who create these motivational quote, guess what? Some of them don't even come up with these ideas. They just go to Google and they type in motivational stuff, right? So if I go to Google right now, if I type in Google and I type in motivational quotes, right, you'll see endless of motivational quotes. Endless. Like this is like 50 best motivational quote. Like I can click on this and you can see different motivational quotes on here. So people go on here, they go on Google, they find stuff. Of course, some of them are creative. I'm not saying they're not, but you get the idea of what I'm trying to say. You can post these things consistently over and over again. And if you want to create your own, you can go on to Canva. Canva is absolutely free. You can go to Instagram, right? Instagram post. And when you click on Instagram post, you see blank ones that you could choose from. Now you could click on this one. It's already here, right? I'm going to show you real quick. So what you could do, you could edit it, right? You can edit, you can change the color of this. You can put black if you want. You can put this over here, not a problem. You can change the background, right? Because you can go to, let's say, go to Google and we'll type in famous people. What if you want to use famous people in the background, right? You can use some famous people. You can, for example, we could click on Elvis and we could get some pictures. If you click on here, we can grab a picture from Elvis. We can put it in the background. Now, you're not going to get copywriting infringement and all that, because these are things that you're going to use on your, on your Instagram, because people use famous people all the time. So you don't have to worry. For those of you who probably be like, well, what if it's like copyrighted? No, it's not. As long as you give credit where credit is due, you're good to go. Right? So I just uploaded, I just dragged it and put it on here. I could use this picture. I can go like this, 1 second. I can put this over here, put this over here, put this here, right? Look at that. See that? I can even move this over to the side. I can put it down here, make it look good. All right, do this. Now you see that, all right? Right down here, all right? There we go, boom. So you can just download it, click up here, and you just download it, and you can add it to the Instagram. So if you want to take one day out of the week just to do this, maybe you want to do this on Sundays. You're like, listen, man, Sundays are going to be the day where I'm going to just get everything out the way, right? Just like me and my wife, we take one day and we do a lot of stuff, even though we do things in the week. But these are some things that you can do on your spare time instead of you doing other things and just wasting time just watching a lot of videos. Just come on here, create it. Once you create it, the next thing you want to do, right, is you're going to create the account, and you want to make sure you set up a business account. So when you set up a business account, you can put in an affiliate link. Now this account right here, I don't know, maybe you're watching this, you're losing out on a lot of money, because you could put in an affiliate link right in here and you can get this set up. So if you look on here, you'll see that right over here, you can see over 220 of these are being sold. So you get $39 off every sale. You can click on here to promote. Likewise, right over here, 291 for that. Wow. You can click on that to promote. So you could do those things. And what you could do as well, once you're creating your account, you always want to put in the description, just like this person right here. You put in the description, right? You can put in the description, click on the link for more information. You can write some things if that's something that you want to do, because motivational quotes are hot and people are always, let me tell you, this thing is like hot bread, because people always want to be motivated. They want to feel good about themselves. So this is good, right? The next way you can promote, as I told you to, is we can go over to Facebook. We go to Facebook, we create a page. You can just click on here, create a page. Once you create, come over here, and you can go on a community. Likewise, you can then start to, once you build that page, you can start to share it, right? Get videos. You can go on here on YouTube. And when you go to YouTube, right, you can type in, hang on one second. Hang on one second, it's a party over here. You can type in motivational quotes, speech, motivational quotes. And when you do this, you're just gonna search for, get the Creative Commons. All right, when you get the Creative Commons, you can use these, use all these motivational stuff, motivational quote, right? And then what you could do, you can put it onto the Facebook fan page. So if you put it on the Facebook fan page, and then what you can do, you can put that link into the actual page, and it's really super easy. This is like a simple way to make money because people are doing this and people are making money. So if you just stick with it, I'm telling you, I have an account right now. It's over 25,000 followers on one account. And I've started that account in, I do believe, about March of this year. So I know it's possible because people can follow your page as long as you're posting consistently, you're using the right hashtags, not too much of a big hashtags, but you can, as long as you start, you just keep going. Don't worry about trying to, make and get rich overnight. It will come in time. So that's why I'm creating this video of a simple way to make money online with no investment needed. So hope you go out there and you could crush it. Check out my link in the first description if that's something that you want to do. I will send you over my #1 recommendation. All right. So just go out there and crush it, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.